off the turnover, no? Tinakbo agad nila. And speaking of turnover,
Oh, let's turn over muna to our courtside reporter, Maris Victor, for her first game report, first quarter report. Maris?
Yes, Enzo and Rowie, correction from my pregame report. Iverson Petros, hindi Pateros. Pero ayun nga, sabi ni Iverson, for this game daw, they will do their roles at mas dodoblehin pa ang sipag. They are confident pero hindi daw dapat maging kampante. Head coach Ernest Alaw advised them na magpakitang gilas agad sa defense at huwag bigyan ng kumpiyansa ang kalaban. They will stick to the game plan na magiging softman muna sa 1-2 positions. Back to you mga poging anchor at analyst.
thank you so much, Marisa. Pero parang ka magbe-baseball bat sa paghawak mo dun sa microphone.
Oo nga,
Parang magbe-baseball eh. Ganun, no?
Parang ihahampas niya pa yung microphone kay Direk Billy eh. Pero tama naman eh. Again, ang advantage of Antipolo Pilgrims right now is they have a stacked lineup as we take a look head coach Ernest Alaw. Meanwhile, Batang Lakan ng Bulacan is an understaffed team as of the moment. Imagine yun nga, no Andre Acop in the lineup, no Joseph Fernaldo, two key players for head coach Chris Baluyot.
And the last time na hindi naglaro yung dalawang yun yung natalo sila. That was their second game, di ba?
Yes.
Walang Acop, walang Hernal nun. So, you know, I won't count yung Pampanga Delta game. I actually count that as a good game para sa kanila.
Yes, definitely.
Pinakaba nila yung Pampanga Delta eh. And I actually thought moral boosting loss yun eh. Actually counted as a moral victory na rin yun. Nadikitan nyo eh. Actually nakita ko yung hunger ng mga players right after. Coach Chris Baluyot and assistant coach Louie Empleo, sabi nga nila eh, okay na yan, breaks of the game, ganun talaga. At least alam natin daw na kaya nila lumaban. But yung mga players hindi coach eh. Gusto talaga namin manalo eh.
Yes.
And kita mo yung mentality, di ba?
And that's just their first or second game yung nakalaban nila. Third game, yung Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. And as you can see there, that was a good shot for Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. Yes, for Christopher Rubio. And yun nga, imagine mo, third game, you've already matched up against the powerhouse team, the undefeated Pampanga Delta. And you did a phenomenal job. Bakit phenomenal? Napakaba nila eh. Yung powerhouse team na Pampanga Delta, kita mo yung mga performance ng Batang Lakan ng Bulacan, it will carry over sa mga coming games nila. Imagine mo, they already went up against the powerhouse team, napakaba nila. What more pa kaya yung mga makakasunod nilang mga makakalaban here sa Born 2001 Sinag Cup natin?
Totoo, and pinakita lang nila na they can compete at this level, at the highest level, di ba? Oh, good move!
Oh, what a great move for Joshua Bolante with the up and under. Great fake to set the defender up in the air to get that easy bucket, huh?
Smooth na smooth yung galawan, no? Parang, you know, Tim Duncan-ish eh.
Yes.
Big, fundamentally sound yung galawan nito ni Bolante. Perimeter shooting na, up and under. Just look at this, pagtanggap, rip through,
fake,
up, under.
And yun ang ating move of the quarter, hatid sa inyo ng Kaito Cement. Kaito Cement, the early strength, quick dry cement made with Japanese technology, built with Kaito. And eto meron tayong timeout break. Our score 12-9, 3-point lead in favor of Antipolo Pilgrims kontra Batang Lakan ng Bulacan.
Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Welcome back, SLA fans, to the 2023 SINAG Liga Asya Born 2001 SINAG Cup. Syempre, this game is brought to you by J Project Loading Shop, makers of quality uniform, the official outfitter of SINAG Liga Asya. Pati na rin ang Photon. Photon, the official mobility partner of SINAG Liga Asya. Kayang-kaya sa Photon. Photon, baka naman, Thunder 4x2 lang. Pati SED Skincare, the official skincare product of SINAG Liga Asya. Perfect care for your skin.
Gusto mo magmaneho ng Photon?
As Panganiban is at the free throw line to shoot 2 free throws.
Okay.
Alam ko yung banat mo eh.
Huli.
Alam ko yung may inside joke kasi tayo eh. And
it's true.
Kasalanan ni Coach Leo Isaac yun eh.
It's true.
Pero,
true.
Hindi, ang layo. Ako, I stand on my ground. Sobrang layo. Sobrang layo na pwedeng abutin ng Thunder 4x2 ng Photon.
Talagang, ano, alam mo yung sasakyan na gusto mo, no?
Andun eh. Kita ko. Ganda pick up eh, di ba?
Nakita ko rin.
As our officials are...
Oh.
what Oh! As
di ba?
you can
Dumudugo
see,
yung paa niya.
dumudugo. Yes, yung...
And he had to, na-shoot niya yung first free throw. Now they have to mandatorily substitute him.
Yes. Dito si Christian Panganiban, ha? So, because of that drop earlier, siguro doon yung tama. And now, as you can see there, one of the assistant coach here of
Yes,
Batang
Coach
Lakan ng
Da.
Bulacan. Yes, Coach Da is
And ito,
nursing.
tumatakbo na yung mga medics natin.
And yes, that's a mandatory substitution kasi hindi pwede yun, eh.
No, nobody noticed it, eh. Ang dami ng dugo na tumulo, di ba?
Oo. And nasikin niya pa yung free throw.
Totoo.
Grabe.
Oh, pero yan, look at that. Perimeter,
Again.
di ba?
Dito naman for Joshua Volante again. The beauty of the perimeter jumpers, ha? Showing this play right now dito for both teams.
Oh, backcourt, that's backcourt. Clearly. Galing dito kay Enzo Enriquez.
At so, miscommunication there dito for Enzo Enrique, pati dito kay Medric Loresto, ha?
Oo, and sabi ni Loresto kasi, nandun ka na, but why do you have to step back, di ba? You don't
Yes.
have to give it to the point guard na
Bumalik
dito
pa
pa
eh.
sa backcourt. Oo.
Yun nga.
And for Batang Lakan, actually, this pace favors Antipolo. Low scoring. Ito yung gusto ng Antipolo eh. Low scoring muna tayo first half. Pagdating na second half, they're going to explode. This is Antipolo Pilgrims' game right now. Sa Batang Lakan, this is not their game. They're a fast-paced team. But then again, you don't have Hernal and Akop na talagang open court players, di ba?
Yes. And yun ang kailangan nilang i-maintain dito
Yes.
for Antipolo Pilgrims League. Take advantage while the two key players are out for Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. However, look at the score, 14-11. I know it's very early, pero we're almost done here sa first quarter. Batang Lakan ng Bulacan, even though they're understaffed right now, are doing pretty good. Not really well, but pretty good against Antipolo Pilgrims.
Munti ka na yun.
Munti ka na maging turnover yun.
And another dangerous pass.
And eto, 3 seconds on the shot clock here. Good awareness. In
Oh!
and in here. A 3-point shot for Miko Dizon from downtown with the friendly bounce.
The new haircut.
New haircut.
Miko Dizon, di ba?
Anong tawag sa gupit na yun?
Wala eh, pero ganyan siguro tingin ko based sa ganyan mga haircut ng mga estudyante, di ba? Pag napapagalitan ka na ng professor mo.
Kailangan yun
Oo.
eh. Ito naman, trying to answer
Look
back.
at Petros. Sayang.
Yun nga, Petros again.
Layo na ng bola. Pero malayo din yung pasa. But I also noticed, I said Joshua Bonaflor is not with Antipolo right now. Also Aldrin Grubot. Their power forward na kapalitan ni Iverson Petros. So I would love to see how many minutes Iverson Petros will log dito. Kasi nga yung kapalitan niya si Aldrin Grubot, wala ngayon din.
Yes,
So both teams, dalawang key players ang nawawala sa kanila.
And ito, Aldrin Gubot garnered 8 rebounds last game.
Diba?
So that's a big number for Antipolo Pilgrims League.
And the defense pa, di ba?
Yes.
Look at that. D-zone all the way to the basket.
Yes, taking advantage of his size there against the smaller defender. Ito, 3 seconds remaining here.
Perimeter J. Oh, good up fake.
Oh! Beating the buzzer and beating the defender. What a great fake and great shot for Joshua Volante, ending the first quarter. That's why we are tied here 16-all. As you can see there, Enzo, last shot, nice fake and nice take for Joshua Volante. Buzzer beater swish.
Sure ball na yun. Swabe yung galaw eh. Alam niya, sasabayan siya. Took a look at the clock. See, it's the last time. Bitaw. Now we're looking at the tied ball game.
Yes, that's the end of the first quarter. It's a tied ball game. All 16 between Antipolo Pilgrims League kontra Batang Lakan ng Bulacan.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa.
Welcome back, SLA fans, to the 2023 SINAG Liga ASYA Born 2001 SINAG Cup. And we are still live here in the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. And ito yung player to watch natin, Kian De La Cruz, Enzo.
14 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 steals, 55% from the field. And was playing that role na third fiddle, di ba?
Yes.
Number 1 and number 2 options that game were Andre Acop and then si Cyril Hernal, di ba? He was the perfect third option that game. Kasi nga, 5 points lang si Christian Panganiban, di ba? He played that third fiddle role so perfectly. Spreading the floor, playing defense, tapos kapag nabibigyan siya ng fast break chances, he capitalizes on those fast break opportunities. So, ngayon, walang Acop, walang Hernal. Sila ni Panganiban are expected to be the ones to carry this Batang Lakan. But look at that floater.
Yes, this time for John Hel Kamike.
Oh, what a debut. This is one of the 3 players na sinasabi nating bago. So, Kamike knocking down his first shot dito as a Pilgrim. And look at that defense.
And look at that steal. And that's going to be an easy bucket all the way for JK Mapua, John Kurt Mapua, from defense to offense.
JK, no? Parang JK Casino lang, ha? Pero, you know, I like, this is the combination na talagang gusto-gusto ni Coach Ernest Alaw, yung 2-point guard combination to press up, speed the game up. Like I said, etong Antipolo Pilgrims are playing the pace that they want to. Slow muna tayo. Pagdating na second, third quarter, and even the fourth quarter, bigla nilang bibilis at in a snap, they can switch to that style of basketball na nabibigla yung mga teams. Ginawa nila yun sa J-Project Boomers. Ay, nakita nila, 7 players lang ang J-Project. Bagalan muna natin. Pagdating ng third quarter, let's hammer down the gas pedal.
And yun nga, that was a great defense there. Great fake. Another fake and draws a foul.
Gandang banggaan yan. De Los Reyes at Sereneo.
Oh, 2 big men are going at it here for Batang Lakan ng Bulacan and Antipolo Pilgrims. However, there was a foul for Evan Sereneo against dito kay Jasper De Los Reyes. That's why he's at the free throw line to shoot 2 shots. And ito, first bucket is good for Jasper De Los Reyes. And habang nag-free throw siya, syempre, we just want to acknowledge the following ng mga importanteng tao dito, Enzo. Mr. Paul De La Fuente of Feed Cotton for the great lunch. Maraming salamat sa pagkain niya dito sa atin. Again, hindi lang yun, Sir Paul. Pati rin po yung size 9 na graffiti 2.5 ko. Malay nyo lang.
Yeah, of course, si Boss Paul De La Fuente, a good friend of ours.
Yes.
Long-time friend natin yan. Boss Paul, thank you so much po. Kita mo, pati pagkain, di ba? Boss Paul, thank you so much po. And talaga, seryoso na to, Boss Paul. Dadalo na po talaga ako sa SM North branch nyo.
Ang lapit lang sa inyo nun, Enzo.
Tagal na ako nagsasabi, pero look at that. Like I said, Kian De Los Santos, stepping up. He needs to be the one to step up, and look at that. Alam niya anong role niya ngayon eh. Magbabago in a snap yung role mo pag nawalan ka ng dalawa. And that's the question. Are you going to step up? And Kian De Los Santos wants to step up.
Yes, the next question is, good box out there for Evan Sereneo.
Mismatch yun.
Mismatch eh.
Sereneo tsaka si De Los Santos ang maano sa kanya. Pasabit.
So that was a good fishing foul there, or fishing for the foul there for Christian Panganiban.
Kita mo, alam mo, he was trying to fish for the foul eh. He
got it.
Parang binato niya. He had no intention to actually shoot that properly. But look at this Kian De Los Santos.
Acrobatic finish
Kian De
there
La Cruz pala, not De Los Santos.
for Kian De La Cruz. That is our drive of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Photon, the official mobility partner of SINAG Liga Asya. Kayang-kaya sa Photon.
Grabe, no? Talagang pan-drive eh. Ibang klase itong, you know, yung ginagawa ng Batang Lakan. Let's keep in step. At some point, we're going to click from the outside. Yun ang ginagawa nila. Keep in step tayo dito, but there's a whistle.
I
Is there
believe
blood again?
another
Tinuturo na naman yung tuhod ng player eh.
But this time, that is...
What happened? Loresto.
Yes, that is Loresto.
May dugo na naman ba? A referee is pointing at his knee din.
So,
Second, if that is the case, pangalawang
player na...
instance na to, di ba?
Yes, so again, because of that, there's gonna be a mandatory substitution. So, I don't know what's happening right now. This is the first time na nangyari yun here in SINAG Liga Asya.
And Loresto was reluctant to come out, di ba? Parang nagulat din siya eh. Hindi rin siya aware. Of course, adrenaline rush na rin yan. Hindi mo mararamdaman na may sugat ka na pala. Mamaya pa yan hahapdi eh.
Yes, kasi nga again, in-game, tama kang adrenaline rush yun. As, eto. Oh, that's a good defense for Antipolo Pilgrims, but ball stays with Batang Lakan ng Bulacan as that's a 3-point shot for Christian Panganiban.
There you you go. Like I said, Panganiban and De La Cruz, they need to step up in the absence. Sila dapat ang 1 and 2 options ngayon. But there's a foul.
There was a foul there.
After the call, who is it on? They're going to review.
Yes, they're going to review that last whistle by the officials. And
Oh, they're signaling it. Nagulat lahat eh.
they were, well, one of our referees, Bird Isuga, was saying may foul kay number 15.
Volante.
Volante, that's Joshua Volante for Antipolo Pilgrims Leap. However, they're going to review. And as you can see here, our officials review.
Ito yung tira ni
Christian
Panganiban kanina.
Oo, yung 3-point shot na yon.
Look at this, right? There's Volante and itong si De Los Reyes nagkikiskisan underneath.
Oo.
They're
And
running
na sila.
Nagkabanggaan sila doon.
Sa may half court
Sa
na.
may free throw line. And then the call was made dito sa half court.
So,
Oh,
unsportsmanlike
21 and 15.
foul for
dalawa sila? Yes, dalawa sila.
Dalawa sila.
Sportsmanlike. So that just cancels each other out. So wala mag-free throw. But the possession, I think, stays with Antipolo dahil it just cancels they just canceled each other out.
Kasi both of them got each an
Oo.
unsportsmanlike foul. One for Joshua Bolante for Antipolo Pilgrims and one for Jasper De Los Reyes.
Oo, tandaan natin, si Cyril Hernal, last game, na-eject nung last frame ng laro, di ba? He got a technical for taunting and then nagkaroon siya ng unsportsmanlike nung fourth period, di ba? Towards the dying moments ng game. So, you know, Batang Lakan needs to keep their emotions in check dahil nga pwede silang masuspend kapag may mga ganong instances eh, di ba?
And last game kasi was a heated game between Datslavex EOZ Construction. Our officials were sending players out of the playing court left and right.
4 ejections,
and,
diba? 3 players.
And one head coach, which is si head coach Rolly Amonelo.
Oo.
So, kailangan mag-ingat doon ng Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. Mas lalo na, underman sila ngayon as there was a suave layup for Miko Dizon. And they are now up by 3 points here against against Antipolo Pilgrims Leap as head coach Ernest Alap of Antipolo calls a timeout. And look at this, Miko Dizon, our move of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Kaito Cement. Kaito Cement made easy with Japanese technology, built with Kaito, early strength, quick dry cement. What a break. And ito, may timeout break tayo. So our score 25-22 with 7 minutes and 5 seconds remaining.
Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Ako si Romel David, para sa Sinag Lakas 40. Sigabang ka?
Welcome back, SLA fans, to the 2023 SINAG Liga Asya Born 2001 SINAG Cup. And syempre, itong game na to is hatid sa inyo by Video Gear Incorporated, our broadcast partner here in SINAG Liga Asya. And syempre, Sun Sports Philippines, the official ball partner of SINAG Liga Asya, your high-quality sports gear.
Yes. Of course, shout out to Boss Fernando Obrera, the CEO of Video Gear Incorporated, and also to Mr. Andrew Chuachoy of Sun Sports, our official basketball. Thank you so much po sa pagsuporta nyo sa SINAG Liga Asya. Kay Boss Fernand, di ba? Kaya ang ganda ng coverages natin palagi.
Oo, syempre, dahil sa quality ng mga kasama natin, as that's a powerful drive there for John Aldrich Arimado. Again, one of the 3 new players dito for Antipolo Pilgrims.
Dalawa na sila nakikita natin. Ito si Arimado, tapos kanina si Kamike, di ba?
And ito.
Actually, ito na.
Ito yung pangatlo.
Ito yung pangatlo.
Si,
This guy, the William DJ Triste.
Yes.
Look at this layup by Arimado.
And that is our power play of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Converge Fiber X. Doble na, dinoble pa. Yan ang internet.
I like the attitude ko dito kay Arimado. That could have been an end one eh. Pwede siyang magsisisigaw na foul dapat yun, di ba? Foul counted dapat. But takbo agad sa depensa eh. I like that kind of attitude from players. Pero ito, 2-on-1.
And look at the speed of John Kurt Mapua. Ang bilis eh, no? Parang
tumatakbo, di ba? Mapuwa, tsaka itong si Triste. But clear offensive foul.
And he got an offensive foul. Great. He sacrificed his body for that offensive foul, ha?
Ang bilis niya, di ba? Nakalayap siya on one end, tumakbo sa depensa, inunahan niya sa spot.
Yes.
Itong si Kian De La Cruz. But look at how fast he is, di ba? And I know, Kuya Rami did his best para slow-mo pa yun.
Oo, ayun. And on the other end, doon siya nakadraw ng offensive foul. Oh. Grabe yung Batak to. From offense to defense, forcing that turnover against Batang Lakan ng Bulacan.
And you saw the entire bench of Antipolo Pilgrims tumayo agad at pinalakpakan na ito. DJ!
Welcome to SINAG Liga Asya. Do William Triste. First bucket here for Antipolo Pilgrims Sleep, ha?
Oy,
For
may steal
Do
pa.
William Triste.
Oh, good move!
Almost an end one. Pero Enzo, look at the 3 new players dito ng Antipolo Pilgrims Sleep. Kakapasok lang nila, making an impact already here in this ball game.
Grabe. And that's the advantage if you have new players, di ba? Di sila nasa scout. But look at that pass by Petros, Rowie.
Yes, that is our assist of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng J Project Clothing Shop, the official outfitter of SINAG Liga Asya.
Unselfish, galing kay Petros. Good job also by DJ Triste na hindi lang siya tumayo sa corner eh. Talagang kumat siya. Regardless kung isushoot ba yun ni Petros or makikita niya ang kumakat, andun ako available for an offensive rebound or drop pass just like that. Great recognition from the 2 Pilgrim players.
Yes, as you can see earlier, head coach Chris Baluyot was coaching Kian De La Cruz.
Oo, dahil nga back-to-back turnover sila, di ba? Isang offensive foul, isang steal.
Oo, and that's why they're trailing by 5 points against Antipolo Pilgrims Sleep, ha?
In a snap, di ba? Like I said, in a snap, kayang gawin to ng Antipolo.
And look at that. Oh, nice shot from the middle. That was heavily contested by Iverson Petros, and there was a foul call.
Game's getting physical.
Yes.
Kita mo, kanina si Jasper De Los Reyes at si Joshua Volante. Ngayon naman, 2 new players naman ang nagkikis-kisan sa ilalim.
Again, these 2 teams came off a win last game, so they want to maintain their momentum, ha? Kasi again, yun nga, Enzo, diba? Top 8 teams lang ang papasok sa quarterfinals. So every game really counts here sa Born 2001 SINAG Cup natin.
And top 4 teams will have a twice to beat.
Yes, advantage. And eto, let's turn over muna to our courtside reporter, Maris Victor, for second quarter report. Maris?
Yes, for Christian Panganiba ng Batang Lakan ng Bulacan, nagkaroon siya ng minor scratch galing sa pagkakatulak sa kanya nung jump ball possession. He is okay, pero sabi niya pa, gusto niya talaga maglaro dahil kung ano ang mga pinapakita ng dalawang key players din nila na di nakapaglaro today na si Akop at si Hernal ay may papakita niya din by doing his best lalo na sa defense. Back to you, Enzo and Rowie.
Thank you very much dun sa report na yun for Maris Victoria for Christian Panganiban. So yun nga, minor scratch kanina. There's a 3-point shot here for John Aldrich Arimado.
5 points na sa kanya, di ba? In his debut. All 3 new players para dito sa Antipolo has now scored. And look at that, DJ! Sayang lang.
But Iverson Petros was there to clean that board. But he'll go to the line to shoot 2 free throws. What a display of effort here for Antipolo Pilgrims Sleep, ha?
Look at this. Ito yung 3-pointer ni Arimado kanina. Found the seams. Straight look at the 3. Bam, bam, boom para dito kay Arimado. Tapos may agaw pa kanina si Mapua.
Yes.
That's why Petro is going to the free throw line. Pero yan, may timeout tayo, Rowie.
Yes, our score 33-26 with 5 minutes and 12 seconds remaining here in the second quarter.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Ako si Ronald Tubid, SINAG Liga 40. Laban ka?
Welcome back, SLA fans. And ito, isang player to watch natin, Iverson Petros. Enzo.
15 points, 12 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 block, 58% from the field. And like I said, the intangibles that he does, the leadership, anchoring the defense na itong Antipolo Pilgrims Sleep. At the same time, yung energy niya nahahawa lahat. Look at this 5 on the floor para dito sa Antipolo Pilgrims Sleep. Petros, energy guy. DJ Tristan, athletic young point guard. Andyan din yung Arimado. May shooting sa labas. May depensa, 2-way players. So is Kurt Mapua. Tapos you have a bruising big man that can post up, probably their best post up player today, itong si Medwin Antonio, di ba? Very versatile yung lineup on the floor dito ni Coach Ernest Alo, and we can see the effectiveness of this 5. Kaya sila lamang na ngayon, di ba, Rowie?
Yes, that's why they are up by 7 points. Dahil nga dun sa contribution ng bawat players dito ng Antipolo Pilgrims. Mas lalo na Enzo, dun sa bagong pasok na, or bagong, gusto ko sana sabihin bagong 3 new players eh. Three new players. Okay. Hindi ko na nga sinabi yung bago, di ba? Pero because of the 3 new players dito for Antipolo Pilgrims, William Triste, John Hel Camike, and John Aldrich Arimado are doing a phenomenal job. That's a good layup for Christian Panganiban.
Yes, and dahil medyo nagmadali, and Coach Ernest Sumeñas na calm down, guys. I know we love to play fast, pero don't play reckless, di ba? Doon naman talaga natatalo ang mga young teams that play fast eh. When they play reckless, you have to play fast and controlled at the same time. Both of these teams love to play fast, Batang Lakan and Antipolo. But the team that plays reckless is the one team that will lose. Last game netong Batang Lakan against Datslav EOZ. Both teams played fast. Both teams played reckless. 22 turnovers for Datslav. 21 turnovers para dito sa Batang Lakan, di ba? But it was just Batang Lakan who capitalized more on those turnovers with 26 points off turnovers. Kaya, di ba, the team that plays controlled basketball always wins the game.
Yes, kasi marami mga bata ngayon na alam mo yung basta fast break lang, itatakbo ko lang, idadrive ko na, and then that's it. Again, controlled basketball is tatakbo ka, pero you need to look at the court pa rin eh. You will need to create shots, not just for you, but for your team talaga eh.
Totoo, and I don't want to...
speaking of.
Look at that. Diba? Good pass by DJ. Papunta kay Medwin Antonio. Like I said, ang ganda ng 5 nila eh. They have that option to just dump it down low kay Medwin Antonio kasi magaling na post player tong Antonio na to eh.
And that, because of that, naka 2 shots kagad, ay naka 2 points kagad doon ang Antipolo Pilgrims team. And that's why they are now up by 8 points here in this ball game.
And look at that, Petros. Yun nga lang. I saw that. Kumapit siya, tumukod siya dito kay Jasper De Los Reyes eh.
Oo, ginamit niya yung left hand doon. As you can see here sa replay natin, look at this. DJ Triste, that is our power play of the quarter. A no-look pass to Medwin Antonio. And yun nga, that's our power play of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Converge Fiber X. Experience better with Converge.
Grabe, diba? This is the way you play if you're Antipolo Pilgrims, the new players, diba? It actually should be a parang example sa mga magiging bagong players na maglalaro dito sa SINAG Liga Asya. May it be this tournament or sa susunod na born 2001. Baka pa nga born 2002 na yun, diba?
Oo, akala ko sasabihin mo sa next na tournament natin, yung
40 up. Actually, pwede din naman eh. It should be an example din naman talaga eh. Na kahit new player ka, you should do everything to be effective. Just like that. Right on cue, DJ.
William Triste, the hoop and the harm for Antipolo Pilgrims. Leave me, oh my, again, this is just his first game here in SINAG Liga Asya, but not just making an impact, he's carrying, or the 3 players are now carrying the team for Antipolo Pilgrims. Leave, ha?
Grabe. And that, I believe, kahit naman nga si Kuya Dowie.
Ayan!
Right on cue! Right on cue, that's his father!
Yes, the
Kuya
proud
Dowie,
father! Dowie Senior Triste watching his son right now performing.
Siya pa kumuha ng camera angle na yun, ha?
Oh.
Diba? I mean, proud father, Kuya Dowie. You know, very, very proud sa performance ng anak niya, of course.
And he should be.
Yes, and of course, na-recruit yung anak niya recently by the ICCT, di ba?
Yes.
Very, very proud. And now seeing his son, yung hard work ng anak niya, nag-pay off na. You know, great job, and you know, we're thankful that this is the opportunity na binibigay natin.
Yes.
Oh, look at that! Sayang na nabitin.
Pero it just shows, again, it just shows how the talent dito ni William Triste, ha?
Totoo, and good spin.
Oh, but that
sayang,
a foul was called on the ground. So, that's gonna be on Renz Mones. His first personal foul, kakapasok lang ni Renz, may foul kaagad. And that's why Christian Panganiban is at the line to shoot a pair. And now trailing by 10 points dito ang Batang Lakan ng Bulacan.
Yes, and he's trying. Panganiban and itong si De La Cruz, they're trying to carry the Cudgels na nawala nga nung Hernal at Akop, di ba, ngayong araw. But iba pa rin talaga pag andyan yung dalawa eh. Kasi
yes,
yung you know, you can just dump the ball to them.
Scorers yung mga yun eh.
Exactly. And at the same time, when the play breaks down, bigay mo na sa kanila. They can create situations where they can score easily. Dito, yung Panganiban kasi is a much better off-ball scorer than he is on-ball. Magaling siya na one-on-one player, but he's a much more effective player kapag off the ball siya. Catch and shoot, cutting, and ganun din yung De La Cruz. Unlike yung Hernal at yung Akop na you can give them the basketball, shot clock winding down, 8 seconds, 7 seconds, nothing's happening on your offense, give them the basketball, they can create their own shot. Dito naman sa Antipolo Pilgrims, a lot of them are shot creators. Kita mo kanina yung Medwin Antonio, binigay nila, one-on-one sila ni De Los Reyes. Bitin lang yung tira, di ba? Batang Lakan ng Bulacan needs to rotate that ball more because they don't have that, you know, isolation scorer available for them today.
Yeah, so yun ang kailangan i-take advantage dito ng Antipolo. Actually, they're taking advantage of it. That's why they are up by 10 points against Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. And Batang Lakan ng Bulacan, again, not just Sama, but all players really needs to step up. Again, imagine mo, last game, yung two players na yun, Andre Akop, Joseph Hernal, 44 points ang ambag nung two players lang na yun.
Totoo.
That's a big chunk of their points last game, So, Batang Lakan ng Bulacan, all of them really needs to step up offensively and at the same time, syempre, continue their great defense last time kasi right now, yun nga, right on cue, Renz Mones and all Antipolo Pilgrims team are taking great shots, open shots compared to the defensive performance last game ng Batang Lakan ng Bulacan against dito sa Datslav XEOZ where lahat ng shots ng Datslav XEOZ are all bothered by Batang Lakan ng Bulacan.
Totoo, and that's because of the length and athletic ability nga nitong Batang Lakan. But you lose those two athletic players, di ba? But at the same time, yung energy dito eh. Look at this. Di lang kita yung offensive rebound ni Petros, but good up fake galing dito kay Renz Mones. Welcome back, Renz Mones, dahil wala siya nung game na yon against J Project Boomers and he played a pivotal role in their win against Parañaque Pelicans, yung birthday victory nila para kay Coach Ernest nun. And against J Project Boomers, he was not available that day. So, it's good to have their shooter, Renz Mones, back on the floor. Dagdagan mo pa ng slashers just like Triste, di ba?
Grabe ang banggaan nila Medwin Antonio and Jasper de los
sa'yo, di ba? Ganda matchup yun eh.
Ay, De Los Reyes rather.
May De Los Reyes ka kasi may De La Cruz ka pa, di ba?
Oo, kaya may tatawag tuloy akong De Los Santos.
Sino si De Los Santos?
Yan nga.
may player before, si Coach Chris Baluyot, De Los Santos pangalan, who play in the NCAA, pero pro na yun eh.
Nasa pro na siya. Yun nga, right on cue.
Ano pangalan?
De Los Reyes.
Dapat pala
De Los Reyes.
Yung lineup mo.
Pero yun nga, sorry, Mr. for Iverson Petros as Renz Mones, his favorite jumper.
Piso-piso lang, di ba? Andun lang siya eh. Available yung perimeter jumper. And that's what Batang Lakan doesn't want. Get Renz Mones on a roll. Kasi he's a volume shooter. Magsusunod-sunod yan. Pwede pa yan mag-init sa 3-point land, di ba?
And they're giving him those wide open perimeter jumpers. That's a display of, you know, they're not doing a great job defending the perimeter here for Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. Renz Mones already has two shots from the elbow.
Back-to-back pa, di ba?
Back-to-back pa. And wide open pa lahat.
Oo. And one thing that Batang Lakan isn't doing right now, that Antipolo is, they're not communicating on defense. Pag nagkakaroon ng switch or nagkakaroon ng good ball rotation itong Antipolo and then nagsa-scramble defense itong Batang Lakan, they're not communicating. Compared to the last game against Datslav, sinabi mo, di ba, every shot ng Datslav from the perimeter is contested. Dito, again, just like that, wide open, di ba?
Yes. Pero yun nga, luckily miss lang yun for Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. Pero yun nga, again, another perimeter jumper dito naman for John Kurt Mapua.
Diba? Like I said, no communication. They can't communicate. But buti na lang, ito si Christian Panganiban is right here, you know, still trying to wake his team up dito sa first half.
Yes, no fear. Airborne acrobatics, that aerial finish there for Christian Panganiban as our officials blew their whistle away from the ball foul.
Ian De La Cruz na pituhan.
Fourth
in the first half? That is huge.
Kian De La Cruz got his fourth personal foul with 42 seconds remaining here in the second quarter. Last game, Kian De La Cruz was the one, yun nga, yung third guy dito for Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. Together with Andre Acop and Joseph Fernal, he scored 14 points, garnered 5 rebounds. And now, fourth personal foul. And eto pa, Enzo, Batang Lakan ng Bulacan are understaffed.
Yes, yun nga, di ba? Like I said, sila nga dapat yung panganiban na nag-step up ngayon. Eh.
Oo.
But with that fourth personal foul, that now hobbles your entire team. Yung team neto ni Coach Consi Chris Baluyot, but Duduko tsaka kay Rafael Del Pozo ng offense. Let's see. Unfortunately, they can't capitalize it. And, you know, it's now on the shoulders of Rafi Del Pozo, guys like Miko Dizon, to now become that second fiddle dito kay Christian Panganiban.
Yes.
Pero mahirap yun eh. Kasi tinan mo yung rotation dito ni Coach Ernest. Lalabas na si Kurt Mapua. Papasok itong si Morihon. Another guard that focuses more on defense. They're going to press up against Batang Lakan. Daadaanin ito ng Antipolo Pilgrims sa defense. Dadaanin nila sa sipag. Dadaanin nila sa ball pressure. Papagurin nila itong understaffed na Batang Lakan. And it's working now that they're up by 13.
And yun nga, kung pinagod nila, that's a good awareness here and good, that's a smart play for,
Travel.
That's easy, a traveling violation. A questionable turnover for Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. They were rushing that time. Kakabanggit lang natin kanina during the first quarter. You need to play, you know, smart basketball kahit, you know, minamadali mo.
Oo.
Don't rush it.
Don't be careless, di ba? Kasi walang mangyayari if you just play fast and then walang plano, di ba?
And this is organized basketball.
Yes. Oh, good shot.
And again, Enzo, another shot from the perimeter here for Antipolo Pilgrims team. No contest for Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. This is a different type of defense here for Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. Look at that. No contest here for Iverson Petros. That's why he drains that one in. Late na doon si Jasper De Los Reyes to contest that shot. And that's why they are now up by 15 points.
I don't blame Jasper De Los Reyes for not contesting. That is the longest range na nakita ko na tinira in attempt nito ni Iverson Petros dito. I haven't seen him shoot anything outside of that painted area. Pero yun yung pinakamahabang tira niya dito, di ba? But again, everything is clicking para dito sa Antipolo Pilgrims. And I would like to note, Jimuel Laksamana is not even scoring as makikita natin mga referees natin. Of course, si Birds Isuga, ang ating mga kaibigan, di ba? Siyempre, let's give a shoutout. Oo, pero shoutout natin yung nag-iisa dyan, si Jong Banayad Jr. Of course, we can see there, our COO, Coach Leo Isaak, in attendance, together with the assistant coach of NBS Lashes. At yun, Rowie.
Ayun na nga, pinakita na naman tayo. Maraming salamat. Balita ko, lagi na tayo pinapakita. Together with us is our FD. Mike Nanad is in the building. Maraming salamat. At Rowie Boat. Ay, wala pala, hindi pwede ma-edit yun. No?
Puro ka na nga sa IG.
At least sa TV, nasasabi ko na yung at Rowie Boat.
So nakikita ka ng mga viewers ng blasttv.ph at saka ng
Top Sports.
And sa Signal tsaka sa Sky Cable.
Yes, again, Signal sa Signal TV, we are live sa Channel 94 and sa Sky Cable, Channel 188.
Uy, sayang yun for Dizon. That was I don't know if that was the play Coach Chris Baluyot drew up. Kasi they drew up something there and they went for an isolation play, di ba? I don't know if that's what they drew up, but sayang lang, di ba? Ito, Batang Lakan ng Bulacan, they had their chances. They were just missing and then a lot of turnovers. But Antipolo Pilgrims in this third quarter, led by these three players, itong si Arimado, andito sila Triste, and also sama mo na si Iverson Petros. It was an all Antipolo quarter. And also, the comebacking Reds Mones.
Yes, it just shows na grabe. All or most of their shots during the second quarter are from the perimeter. So let's see kung anong adjustments dito ng Batang Lakan ng Bulacan in terms of defense coming into the second half. And that's the end of the first half. Our score, 50-35, 15-point lead in favor of Antipolo Pilgrims team against Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. So SLA fans, we will have a halftime break. We'll be back after this.
Hello mga kasinag, Enzo Galarosa po ng Sinag Liga Asya. At andito po tayo sa Barangay Tangos South in Navotas City para sa second installment ng Sinag Saya. Halina't subaybayan ang aming journey dito para magpasaya at mag-inspire ng mga kabataan dito sa Barangay Tangos.
Malaking bagay po ito kasi una-una, yung mga ibang kabataan, yung mindset nila nasa basketball, hindi sa mga sugal, saan man bating bagay. Kaya ang pagbabasketball sport natin ay napakalaking bagay po.
Matangkilik po natin ang paglalaro ng basketball, maiwasan po ang mga masasamang gawain para maging maganda patuloy na paglalaro.
At yan po mga kasinag, dyan po nagtatapos ang ating ikalawang installment ng Sinag Saya dito sa Barangay Tangos, Navotas City. Tutok lang po kayo sa aming mga social media accounts at Sinag Liga Asya sa Facebook and Instagram kung saang barangay kami susunod na magpapasaya. Only here at Sinag Liga Asya.
Ako nga pala si Andrew Mina, player ng Terfir Majid. Inaanyahan ko kayo na panoorin ng Sinag Liga Asya. For sure, marami kayong masasaksihan na mga kabataan na sino-showcase yung talent nila and for sure mag-enjoy kayo. Tara, load na kayo.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Ako si Romel David para sa Sinag Lakas 40. Igabang ka?
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Ako si Ronald Tubid, Sinag Liga 40. Laban ka?
Maganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh.
It's time to dominate! With its built-in high prioritization feature, charge into battle with low latency. Yes! Get into the race with low jitter. Yes! Apply for a Game Changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
Ako si Roddy Santos para sa Sinag Lakas 40. Game na!
Determinasyon, sipag, puso, pangarap ang puhunan, talento ang labanan, umaatikabong bakbakan. Mga laro ay tutukan. Game na!
Ako
Ako si Richie Melesio para sa SINAG Lakas 40. Laban ka?
Ako si Parley Dimla. Abangan ang Team Luwid 1 Kapampangan sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Hello mga kasinag, Enzo Galarosa po ng SINAG Liga Asya at andito po tayo sa Barangay Tangos South in Navotas City para sa second installment ng SINAG Saya. Halina't subaybayan ang aming journey dito para magpasaya at mag-inspire ng mga kabataan dito sa Barangay Tangos. At SINAG Liga Asya.
Ako nga pala si Alejandro Mina, player ng Terfir Majid. Inaanyahan ko kayo na panoorin ng SINAG Liga Asya. For sure, marami kayong masasaksihan na mga kabataan na sinushowcase yung talent nila and for sure mag-enjoy kayo. Tara, load na kayo.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again!
Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Ako si Ronald Tubid, SINAG Lakas 40. Laban ka?
Para sa SINAG Lakas 40. Laban ka?
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Ako si CJ Delpino, abangan ang Pampanga Pradera sa SINAG Liga Asya.
It's time to dominate! With its built-in high prioritization feature,
Yes!
charge into battle with low latency.
Yes!
And get into the race with low jitter.
Yes!
Apply for a game changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
Ako si Roddy Santos para sa SINAG Lakas 40. Game na!
Determinasyon.
Sipag. Puso. Pangarap ang puhunan. Talento ang labanan. Umaatikabong bakbakan. Mga laro ay tutukan. Game na!
Ako si Richie Melesio para sa SINAG Lakas 40. Laban ka?
Ako si Parley Dimla. Abangan ang Team Luwid 1 Kapampangan sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Hello mga kasinag, Enzo Galarosa po ng SINAG Liga Asya at andito po tayo sa Barangay Tangos South in Navotas City para sa second installment ng SINAG Saya. Halina't subaybayan ang aming journey dito para magpasaya at mag-inspire ng mga kabataan dito sa Barangay Tangos.
Malaking bagay po ito kasi unang-una, yung mga ibang kabataan, yung mindset nila nasa basketball, hindi sa mga sugal, saan man bating bagay. Kaya ang pagbabasketball sport natin ay napakalaking bagay po.
Matangkilik po natin ang paglalaro ng basketball, maiwasan po ang mga masasamang gawain para maging maganda patuloy na paglalaro.
At yan po mga kasinag, dyan po nagtatapos ang ating ikalawang installment ng SINAG Saya dito sa Barangay Tangos, Navotas City. Tutok lang po kayo sa aming mga social media accounts at SINAG Liga Asya sa Facebook and Instagram kung saang barangay kami susunod na magpapasaya. Only here at SINAG Liga Asya.
Ako nga pala si Alejandro Mina, player ng Terfir Majid. Inaanyahan ko kayo na panoorin ng SINAG Liga Asya. For sure, marami kayong masasaksihan na mga kabataan na sino-showcase yung talent nila and for sure mag-enjoy kayo. Tara, load na kayo.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Ako si Romel David para sa SINAG Lakas 40. Sigabang ka?
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Ako si Ronald Tubid, SINAG Liga 40. Laban ka?
Maganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin. Walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with Converge Home Base. For plans as low as 1,500 pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Home Base.
Welcome back, SLA fans. We hope you enjoyed that halftime break and our score 50-35, 15-point lead in favor of Antipolo Pilgrims kontra Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. And let's look at the halftime highlights dito, Enzo. Again, 15 points angat ang Antipolo against the understaffed Batang Lakan ng Bulacan so far here in this ball game.
Yes, grabe. What a performance galing dito sa Antipolo Pilgrims team. Look at this. They're shooting 43% from the field despite only shooting 16% from 3. Not a good look from them from three-point line, pero they're getting easy looks, a lot of offensive rebounds. They actually garnered 9 offensive rebounds in the first half. Grabe yung performance nila dito, moving the ball around, pressuring itong Batang Lakan ng Bulacan and actually forcing them to 15 first half turnovers, di ba? 15 turnovers in the first half. Napakalaki nun. As we see itong stats natin, look at it. 43% from the field, 29%. They're holding Batang Lakan ng Bulacan to 29% shooting dito. And like I said, turnovers, 15 turnovers for Batang Lakan. Samantalang Antipolo taking care of the basketball, 6 turnovers na. Points in the paint, dominant itong Antipolo, 24-14. And of course, the bench points. 37 bench points. The bench has actually outscored Batang Lakan dito. 35 points lang ang Batang Lakan in the first half. The bench of Antipolo already has 37, di ba?
Yes.
They outscored them on their own.
And 4 players lang sa, out of the 15 players ng Antipolo Pilgrims, 4 players lang yung hindi nakascore doon during the first half. However, on the defensive end, doon naman sila nagko-contribute. And meanwhile, for Batang Lakan ng Bulacan, again, understaffed sila and 2 players did not play during that first half. So, let's see if anong mga adjustments dito ng Batang Lakan ng Bulacan ni head coach Chris Baluyot to bounce back here in this ball game. But that guy right there, Iverson Petros, scored 6 points during the first round. And eto, Enzo, 8 rebounds in total.
Double na, di ba?
Almost a double-double figures in the first half alone.
And they are plus 16 when he's on the floor, di ba? That's how good itong Antipolo Pilgrims. And look at that, out of the halftime huddles, turnover agad na i-force na itong Antipolo. Not a good start para dito sa Batang Lakan, but a great defensive stop already for Antipolo.
And they're the one who's trailing. So they really need to, adjust their defense, especially take care of the ball dito. Turnover kagad, that's their 16th turnover here in this ball game.
Totoo, and look at that. Another offensive rebound. Sayang lang, on the second offensive rebound nila, may foul. Diba? But you can see that the energy nitong Antipolo Pilgrims coming out of the huddles nila sa kanilang dugouts, ibang-iba eh. You see how excited they are. You see how energized they are. And the reason why, kasi lahat ng players nga has had a positive effect on the basketball game. The 2 players na wala pang naaambag is Jimuel Laksamana and itong si Jason Morihon. 2 players that we know can score double figures in a single quarter immediately, di ba?
Yes.
Ganun sila kalalim ngayon. And they're capitalizing on an undermanned Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. As you can see, Coach Consi, Chris Baluyot right there.
Yes, on your screens right now. And speaking of, you've mentioned eto si Laksamana and si Morihon. During the first half, they played less than, or let's say 3 minutes up close lang. And that's not their usual playing time here in SINAG Liga Asya Born 2001 SINAG Cup. There was some adjustments for head coach Ernest Ala because of the new players dito. New arsenal for head coach Ernest Ala for Antipolo Pilgrims. And that lineup, that adjustment sa rotations nila are in their favor kasi that's why they're up by 15.
Yes, and at the same time din kasi, for sure, Coach Ernest knows na Coach Consi Chris Baluyot, tina-target niya yung dalawang yun. Tina-target niya si Laksamana. Of course, Laksamana was the best player of the game against Parañaque Pelicans, di ba? Yung win number 1 nila in this 2-game winning streak that they have. But ngayon, they have 2 or 3 players, di ba? 3 new players na for sure hindi gaano na scout ng Batang Lakan. Tanggalin mo pa yung Aldrin Gubot, tanggalin mo pa yung Joshua Buenaflor sa scouting reports nito ni Coach Consi Chris Baluyot. Maguguluhan bigla yung game plan itong Batang Lakan. At the same time, yung Akop wala, yung Hernal wala, and also yung De La Cruz is on foul trouble. 4 personal fouls na yung De La Cruz in the first half, di ba? So a lot of things aren't going well for Batang Lakan, but 15 points, 8 minutes and 35 remaining in the third, entirety of the fourth, mahaba pa tong laro na to. Batang Lakan, especially with Christian Panganiban on the floor, they can still catch up.
Yes, so let's see kung anong kailangan nila or gagawin nila para makahabol pa here in this ball game. Yun nga kasi mahaba-haba pa ang game action natin dito between these 2 teams.
Look at that rebound by
Iverson Petros hustling his weight just to get that rebound. And napituan pa dito si Christian Panganiban.
Yes, and
and that's his third.
Di ba? Third foul ni Panganiban. 4 fouls naman yung De La Cruz. Di ba? That's big development dito dahil nga you're 1 and 2 options. Akop and itong si... Oh! Look at that!
And Iverson Petros, the hoop and the harm, sinking that one here for Antipolo Pilgrims. That is our move of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Kaito Cement. Kaito Cement, the early strength, quick dry cement made with Japanese technology, built with Kaito.
Grabe. Ito si Iverson Petros reminds me of a rookie Cliff Hodge. Yun si Cliff Hodge bago niya develop yung game niya na nagkaroon siya bigla ng outside shooting.
Yes.
Oo. Well, yung dinadaan lahat sa sipag and athletic ability. But speaking of athletic ability, Enzo Enriquez.
Yes. Grabe talaga ang mga Enzo, no, Enzo?
Of course.
Ang gagaling eh.
Yes.
And balita ko, Enzo, magaling ka daw mag-rap pa.
Sabi nino?
Ni Maris, di ba kanina? Sabi niya
sample ng OPM.
Balita ko, OPM rin naman yung mga rap mo, di ba?
yung price tag na naman.
Price tag na naman. Pero, eto, poor awareness for Antipolo Pilgrims. Not aware of the shot clock. Great defense for Batang Lakan ng Bulacan, forcing that turnover against Antipolo Pilgrims lead.
There you go. I would love to give credit dito kay Christian Panganiban. Hindi niya hinayaan na makawala itong si Mapua. That's Kamike sa screen na binigay ni Medwin Antonio. He did not allow any switch to happen or maiwanan siya. He really stayed chest to chest doon kay Kamike. Kaya hindi rin nagamit ng maayos yung screen eh. That's a Christian Panganiban defensive possession. But you get the stop, you also need to get baskets dito. Yun ang kailangan ng Batang Lakan. Multiple stops and continuous baskets. They don't need to shoot from 3. Yes, they're a trigger-happy team from the three-point land. One of the top three-point shooting teams dito. But in this game, keep it simple. Just keep on going to the basket.
And there was a push there clearly a push doon kay Iverson Petros dito. Utas tumalong kay Jasper De Los Reyes. And third team foul already for Antipolo Pilgrims with 7 minutes and 18 seconds remaining here in the third quarter. And ito, sa sub-in rin si Rafael Del Pozo for Christian Panganiban. Kasi again, Christian Panganiban already has his third personal foul and Kian De La Cruz naman has his fourth. Two players na in-expect natin mag-step up are already in foul trouble here in this ball game.
Yes, and again, this is the chance for guys like Loresto, itong si Enriquez. Of course, ito rin si De Los Reyes can step up. Even ito si Rafi Del Pozo, kailangan nilang mag-step up dahil nga basically, they lost 4 gunners dito. Walang Hernan, walang Akop, Panganiban, and itong si De La Cruz are hobbled with the foul trouble. So, it's a chance for the other players na normally role players lang to showcase what they got. Just like what guys like Triste is doing. But Volante, kita mo, basta perimeter eh. Lista mo na eh.
Again, another shot there, unleashing his deadly mid-range arsenal. The mid-range maestro, Josh Volante.
Nakita mo, may rebound pa, di ba? Complete yung laruan nito ni Joshua Volante.
Oo. And
ito na naman.
Oh, back to back in front of Jasper De Los Reyes. Jasper De Los Reyes, all hands up in there. However, malayo kasi siya and that's why clearly that's a good shot pa rin for Josh Volante.
And kabisado niya talaga eh. He knows he has that mid-range jumper in his arsenal. And look at that defense.
Yes, forcing that turnover against Jasper.
Launchpad.
And easy bucket there for William Triste.
Grabe yung talon nito. Again, one of the athletic guards, the 19-year-old DJ Triste. Kita mo, alam mo na, he was looking to pass it initially. Walang defender. I'll just fly for the drive of the quarter.
That's the left-handed layup drive of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng photo, the official mobility partner of SINAG Liga Asya. Kayang-kaya sa photo. And every time break tayo dito, our score 59-37 with 5 minutes and 49 seconds remaining here in the third quarter.
Sublimation company for a long time, we have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Welcome back, SLA fans. This game is brought to you by FinCotton, the official mobility partner of SINAG Liga Asya, your local Filipino sneaker brand. FinCotton moves with you. And ito, Blue Sky Roller, Blue Sky Corporation, the official printing service provider of SINAG Liga Asya. And syempre, marami pa tayong gustong pasalamatan, Enzo, tulad nitong WCube Solutions, the official web developer of SINAG Liga Asya, your digital agency that offers end-to-end digital solutions. And eto, syempre, papasalamatan natin yung Rocky Gummy and Candies, Mr. Hat Gulaman, Boss June, of J Project, pati si Boss Nat Manarang and Ma'am Ana. Pati na rin eto Enzo si Boss Denden of Manila Bankers Life Insurance. Abangan natin yan. Manila Bankers Life sa Sinag Liga Asya, mga SLA fans.
The best way to show your love. Diba?
Paano nga ba, Enzo?
Triste, oh. Okay. Clear offensive foul galing dito kay Volante. Trying to give a pin down screen papunta kay Kamike. Mamaya ako babalikan ko yung tanong mo. Mamaya babalikan ko yan.
Sinabi ko, the best way to show your love. Paano ba i-show mo your love, Enzo? Tapos sinabi mo si Triste. Iba yun, Enzo. Si Triste yung tinuro mo.
Sabi ko, here comes Triste.
Okay. Kasi narinig ko Triste kagad eh.
And I quote Maris Victorio, don't put words in
my mouth.
Diba? Hindi mo Petros, pero yun nga lang.
Yes, yun na nga yung sinabi mo, Enzo, yung mga tapika na bola ni Petros just to get a rebound. Hindi yun nakakount sa... But look at that drive there for Jake Kabasag. Pero yun nga, again, grabe yung tapika ng bola na hindi nakikita sa stat sheets.
Okay. Just look at that. Even that. Challenging the shot, diba? The things that Petros does.
The intangibles.
Yun yung mga championship winning attitude eh. Wala siyang reklamo. Actually, honestly, wala siyang paki sa stats niya.
Yes.
He's the type of player that will just play hard continuously.
And that just shows na that's the right way to play basketball. The stats are just, you know, just to monitor your performance. Don't focus on the stats. Focus on how you can contribute to help your team win the game.
Yes.
The stats comes right after eh.
Yes, and at the same time din kasi, yung mga players na ganyan kagaya ni Petros, and I quote Kawhi Leonard, diba? Board man gets paid.
Yes.
Ganun na ganun eh. Yan yung mga binabayaran na players na, kita mo, even,
look at that.
Siyempre, mga bata to, so there are no payments for these kids to play here, diba? They're just banking on their future, banking on the opportunity.
Playing for their future.
Malapit na rin naman tong Petros na to maglaro sa pro. Very, very soon. That's the next level na habulin niya. You know, the college level and then the pros, di ba? You know, once he becomes a pro, yan ang babayaran. Kagaya niyan, di ba? The hustle. Hindi mo matatawaran yan eh.
Yes. And already, he has double digits in terms of rebounds because of that rebound.
Points na rin kasi kanina nakabasket na twice, di ba? I have to check that again.
Double-double na dito si Iverson Petros here in the third quarter.
Back-to-back games, di ba?
Back-to-back games na double-double. It just shows us there's an end-one play here for CD Rubio. The hoop and the harm.
CD talaga yun.
Yes, CD.
Nice nickname.
Kasi, ayun nga, Christopher Rubio, as we take a look at this assist of the quarter, hatid sa inyo ng J Project Clothing Shop, the official outfitter of SINAG Liga Asya, makers of quality uniforms.
That's a nice nickname, CD. Diba CD Rubio? Ayun.
Yes.
Nice name. But, yun nga. So, one guy who's stepping up big time para dito sa Batang Lakan in the absence of the two players nga na binabanggit natin kanina, Akop and Hernal, and also yung hobble foul trouble nila si Panganiban at si De La Cruz. Miko Dizon already has a double-double. 10 points, 10 rebounds na siya.
Wow.
Pero look at that! Grabe.
No fear in Du Williams' eyes, trying to muscle his way through in the air, Enzo, in the air.
Grabe. And even si Rubio had to look at him. Tinan mo, what an aerial battle.
Look at that.
Dalawang to.
Yes, by Du William Triste, and dito si Medric Loresto, pero Medric Loresto draws a foul.
Grabe, what an aerial battle that was.
Grabe, no?
Triste talaga, ibang klase. In his debut game now has 7 points and 4 assists. Make that 8 points and 4 assists, diba? What a debut for this kid. And look at that, the proud father.
Yes.
Pahinga muna, syempre si Kuya
Dowie. And syempre, look at that. Imagine mo, naka-Nike shoes siya ngayon dahil nga, walang connect yun eh.
Kaya nga, nagtaka ako. Ano?
Walang connect yun eh. Pero it just shows, again, he's really proud. The way his child, he's performing right now, doing an awesome, terrific job here for Antipolo Pilgrims on his debut game, ha?
Yes, and yun nga, diba? I mean, for sure ngayon, tinatago lang ni Kuya Dowie. Nag-face mask
Naka-face mask kasi. Dinadayo niya tayo eh.
Tinatago niya yung happiness niya. Actually, all of the players playing dito sa SINAG Liga Asya, there you go. All players na pinasok ni Coach Ernest Alo has now umambag kahit papano sa laro as Domingo his first minutes of the game, nakascore agad ng basket, diba? But like I said, every parent is proud of their kid performing dito sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Yes.
Any parent you ask, kahit si Kuya Dowie and even mga players dito ng Batang Lakan, they are proud of how their kids are playing. And, you know, we are so thankful na yung mga magulang nito mga players na to, pinagkatiwalaan din ng SINAG Liga Asya. Oh, there you go. That's now the 14th player to score dito sa Antipolo Pilgrims. Only one player, ito si Jason Morejón na lang ang hindi pa nakaka-score for Antipolo.
Yes, it just shows that all players can really contribute offensively in terms of scoring. Mas lalo na again, so far, eto, Jemuel Laksamana, this is not his usual numbers in terms of scoring. And this is just, that was just his first point. 2 points in the ball game.
And his second field goal attempt, di ba?
And yun nga, look at that.
May takip talagang ring eh.
Yes, too many offensive rebounds for Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. And yun nga rin too many misses for Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. All shots are being bothered here ng Antipolo Pilgrims Leap.
Chris Baluyot played for San Sebastian. He was even drafted in the PBA. Coach Ernest Alo played for JRU. Diba? So, andyan yung lineage eh. They know what it takes to get to that level. So these kids, kailangan mo talaga makinig as tumapboard pa dun itong si Kabasag, diba?
And it just shows they are really in good hands talaga. But what the players need to do is play. Oh, that was a tough shot
Taas na. Alam mo tatama sa shot clock yung tira eh. But Migo Dizon, the lone bright spot para dito kay Coach Chris Baluyot.
So far,
double performance para sa kanya. Siya actually yung Iverson Petros version nila dito ng Batang Lakan. The dirty worker, the blue-collar worker, playing defense. But again, he can't do it alone. Tingnan mo, he's trying to play defense on multiple players dito sa Antipolo. Trying to be the spark. Tinatry niyang gisingin ang mga kakampi niya. But again, it's up to his teammates to step up. Kasi nga, you know, yun naman talaga eh. Wala ka ng reklamo. Wala ka dapat, hindi dapat. That's not the term. The term is, hindi ka pwedeng magrason na, kulang-kulang kami. The fact that you come in, you wore a uniform, you played the game, you should always play hard. Wala ka dapat rason. No excuses. Hindi tatanggapin ng mga coaches mo yan ngayon. Ito, hindi rin tatanggapin ng mga coaches nagsa-scout sa'yo. Kasi ganito kasi ganyan eh. Mas lalo kung hindi kukunin kapag nagrason ka eh.
Yes, kasi again, you are a basketball player. You need to come in prepared every time. No? So again, pangalawa lang yung in-game na eh. The first is in the practice pa lang eh. Sa practice mo pa lang, if you're always going hard, in-game yung way mo you play the games during scrimmages or pick-up games, mag-show out yun during the actual games eh.
Totoo. And also, this is also an opportunity, di ba, na okay, bihira ka makalaro. But now you have an opportunity to play.
Show what you got.
Mapakita mo na pwede ka nang ipasok sa rotation, di ba? Just like, look at that, Dizon again. Iba yung bantay niya, tapos siya pa yung pumunta doon to
block that shot.
That Dizon is trying everything. Kasi ito, tingnan natin, iba yung chine-check niya but then lumapit siya for the block of the game.
Hatid sa inyo ng SCD Skincare, the official skincare product of SINAG Liga Asya. Perfect care for your skin.
Speaking of SCD, we would like to acknowledge Ma'am Grace Vargas of SCD. And syempre sa mga kabalen, mga kasinag natin dito sa Pampanga, meron pong shop ang SCD sa Florida Blanca, Pampanga. Dalaw lang po kayo doon and get your SCD Skincare Depot products.
Yes. And syempre, again, dito tayo sa BREN GUIAO ngayon. Mamaya, dadaanan natin yun, Enzo.
Pupunta tayo Florida Blanca?
Sabi ni Marie, siya magdadrive.
Ikaw nagsabi niya.
Pero yun nga.
I did not say that.
As you can see here, again, Antipolo Pilgrims are enjoying a 22-point lead against Batang Lakan ng Bulacan.
This is the biggest.
Pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Homebase.
Welcome back, SLA fans, to the 2023 SINAG Liga Asya Board 2001 SINAG Cup. And ito nga, player to watch natin, Joshua Bulante, 12 points, 5 rebounds, 6 assists, 2 steals, and 45% from the field shooting niya. And napiyok pa ako doon kasi grabe yung performance nito ni Joshua Bulante. And right now, during this game, he is taking over for Antipolo Pilgrims. Look at that display of basic basketball up and unders here for Joshua Bolante, showing his mid-range arsenal here against Batang Lakan ng Bulacan.
Diba? Sure ball pagdating sa mid-range. And look at that. So, chill-chill na lang siya sa bench eh. I mean, that's what you do. That's actually what every coach wants. Na makalamang na kayo na malaki. But ngayon,
Let's turn over muna to our courtside reporter for Maris Victoria for our fourth quarter report. Maris?
Yes, from Antipolo Pilgrims Sleep, Joshua Bolante, ang inspirasyon niya daw para magpakitang gilas at gawin ang best performance niya ay ang head coach nila sa kanyang eskwelahan. Gusto niya daw ipakita na hindi nasasayang ang mga tinuturo sa kanya ng coaches nila dahil ina-apply niya ito at ipinapakita every game. For the rest of the ball game, iiwas daw siya sa fouls at kung may open shot, he will shoot. He also said communication with teammates ay napaka-importante dahil dito na ipapakita ang pagkakaisa inside and outside the court. Back to you, Enzo and Rowie.
It just shows that Joshua Bolante will go a long way if he continues that kind of attitude. If you are the type of player that always wants to keep on learning, ina-apply mo yung mga tinuturo ng coaches sa'yo, it just shows na you have the right attitude to go to the next level.
Totoo. And, you know, actually, all-star cast itong coaches ni Coach Ernest Alaw. The world-famous Coach KDP, di ba?
Yes. Kim De Pedro.
Of course, andyan si Coach Jack Lamit, Coach Jacob Bernard Jacob De Pedro, di ba? They also have a lot of support galing sa mga taga-Antipolo. At doon pa yung mga other assistant coaches nila na due to, of course, di lang naman ito yung mga trabaho. Guys like TJ Aguilar, Jimboy Rason, di ba? Mga ganun yung mga coaches nila. Very, very well coached sila. Keeping these players in check, keeping them down to earth, and at the same time, coachable din yung mga players na to eh. Wala daw silang reklamo pag nakakausap ko yung mga assistant coaches ni Coach Ernest eh. Walang reklamo. Laging pagtuturuan mo, yes po coach, at gagawin agad.
And that's the right attitude, again, for players. Attitude comes first. If skills, anyone can teach how to dribble, how to shoot the ball, how to pass, pero the attitude, manggagaling yun sa player eh.
Oo.
So, it just shows that if you have those kind of players na they have the right attitude, susunod na lahat eh.
Totoo. And kagaya ng kausap ko si Coach Pancha before, sabi niya, he doesn't look at skill. Pag magre-recruit siya, he'll always look at the attitude, kung coachable ba yung player. Kasi mahirap naman, di ba, kung mahusay ka nga, hindi ka naman sumusunod sa coach, di ba?
Oo.
Kala ko yun na eh. Pero ito, Morihon will have a chance to be the 15th player to score for Antipolo Pilgrims, di ba? But
so, if he makes at least one free throw, all Antipolo players may contribution na in terms of scoring.
Oo. And, you know, perfect example, si Lordy Casajeros, yung guest analyst natin last Thursday for the main event game. Lordy Casajeros, ever since college, was I wouldn't say role player, but he was a coachable player. Hindi siya nagrereklamo na, Coach, konti lang minutes ko. Coach, bakit hindi ako naging focal point ng offense? Lordy Casajeros was a defender. He was a focused defender, a two-way player for the UA Red Warriors. Ganun si Lordy. And Lordy is now a pro player. One of, actually, a well-in-demand player nga siya. Actually, maraming teams gusto serbisyo ni Lordy. Same time also, yung isa nating guest analyst din, Allen Mina. Nag-champion.
Yung best friend ko.
Sige.
Si Bess.
Sige. I do not agree. I won't
You do not agree?
Hindi. Ako kasi ako yung nabigyan ng
Ako
jersey.
yung best niya. Pero going back sa kwento mo ito.
Sinasabi ko, Allen Mina, hindi naman siya magcha-champion sa college for Letran, di ba?
Two
Kung
times.
Hindi siya coachable.
Yes.
2 times pa. And now he's in the PBA. Gamit na gamit siya sa Terra Firma. So, di ba, attitude goes a long way. Wala na pa kayong mga coaches sa skills ngayon eh. Kasi as you said, skills can be developed. Marami na skills coaches dyan na pwede mong i-hire, pwede mong bayaran para turuan ka nito. But attitude cannot be taught. Nasa tao na yan eh. And actually, hindi lang sa basketball lang yan eh. In all sports, in all field of work, if you don't have the right attitude, hindi ka magtatagal sa trabaho na yun.
Yes, mas lalo na again, dito kasi basketball is a game of adjustments. As a player, you need to adjust to the playing style of your coach.
And so, your opponent din minsan.
And your opponent rin, yes. But again, as you can see here, nakikita ko si head coach Ernest Alaw kausap si KDP. As we take a look, the head coach naman ng Batang Lakan ng Bulacan, head coach Chris Baluyot right now. A look of concern as they are trailing by 23 points with 7 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. And eto pa Enzo, nakikita ko, lumalapit si Kim kay Seth. Mamaya makikita rin natin yung nabulol ako last time yung assistant coach, the statistician.
Yun lang kasi magkalayo yung bench sa table of officials. No? Unlike yung sa kainta kasi, di ba? Malapit. Pero, again, Coach Chris Baluyot, another guy na pwede nating example of great attitude. Again, played for San Sebastian in the NCAA, drafted to the PBA, and yung head coach na gave him a shot was Coach Louie Empleo, which is now his assistant coach, di ba? And kita mo si Coach Chris, lagi niyang encouraging siya. Hindi siya nagagalit. Positive reinforcement ginagawa. Same with Coach JR De La Cruz. Same with a lot of coaches dito sa SINAG Liga Asya. It's always the attitude of the players ang pinipreach nila. Hindi yung, porkit hindi ka napasahan, magtatampo ka na. Porkit hindi ka nakashoot, hindi ka nabababa sa depensa. Diba? Mga ganun, mga little things that young players, these players are young, relatively young, but syempre meron tayong mga kasinag na nanonood that probably within the age bracket of 10 to 15 years old, di ba? Na tinitingnan ng mga kuya nila maglaro. That's the important part that they have to develop, the attitude. Kasi yun ang tinitingnan. But ito, timeout right here for Coach Chris Baluyot, 79-54 ang ating score.
Yes, with 6 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. We'll be back, SLA fans, after this.
Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Ako si Ronnie Santos para sa SINAG Lakas 40. Game na!
And eto nga yung SINAG Lakas 40 natin kanina na nakita natin si Commissioner Rodney Santos para sa SINAG Lakas 40.
Yes, and we will have two divisions there, the Open Division and the Executive Division. If you're interested to join, please contact those two numbers or email us at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or pwede rin po kayo mag-inquire through our Facebook page at SINAG Liga Asya. Interested po kayo sumali sa SINAG Lakas 40. Diba? I've heard ang dami ng teams ngayon. And
yes, ang dami na sumali.
Diba? I mean, I'm actually excited for one player na makakover ko ulit sa SINAG Lakas 40. I heard that player daw na maglalaro sa SINAG Lakas 40 is marami in demand daw. Ang dami ng coaches na nagtatanong kung gusto niya maglaro for them eh.
Oh, sino kaya yun?
CPA.
Oh, okay. Kilala ko na kagad yun. Ako.
Let's just keep it at that.
Oo, abangan natin. And yun ang excited ako. Again, sobrang dami pa nating plano dito sa SINAG Liga Asya. Again, born 2001 SINAG Cup pa lang to. Ang dami nang nangyayari in terms of sponsors, ang daming sumusuporta. Kasi, again, nakikita natin yung magiging future ng SINAG Liga Asya para sa mga basketball players natin here in not just in the Philippines, but in the entire Asia. Malay mo,
Galing nakapatay yung script mo dyan.
Ang next naman is yung SINAG Lakas 50. Malay mo, di ba? Hindi natin sure.
Hindi mo narinig yun ang 50.
Malay mo lang, di ba? Again, in the future, nag-improve tayo di ba?
Sabagay nga naman, di ba? It's a different age bracket.
Yes.
But interesting yun
SINAG Lakas 50.
Abot kayo si Shenta.
Baka sumali daw si...
Sino?
Ayoko na
mabanggit ka na ba?
Ayoko na mabanggit. So, never mind lang. Pero again, yun nga. Kidding aside, yun ang mga plano natin dito sa SINAG Liga Asya. Sobrang dami pa. So, stay tuned lang SLA fans. Ang dami pa nating mga plano para at least makita natin mga... Oh! That's an elevator play for Antipolo Pilgrims!
Grabe, di ba? And you know why that's impressive? Kasi that's a play that was run for Coach Ernest Ala when he played for a pro team a couple of months ago. So yan yung mga specialty plays for Coach Ernest before and now. Siya naman ang nag-drawing ng play na yun, di ba?
Para sa Antipolo Pilgrims leap, Grabe. Bulldozing his way through. That's a great drive. Fearless drive for Christian Panganiban.
Ang laking bagay nung nakuha niya yung 3 fouls niya. Pati kay De La Cruz yung 4 fouls, di ba?
Yes.
Hindi sila nakalaro yung third period gaano. You know, what could have been if played that third period? Yung mga what ifs, di ba?
Yung mga what ifs. Pero yun nga lang. Ball goes to Batang Lakan ng Bulacan as Christian Panganiban too short on that left-handed layup. Great defense by Medwin. And on the other end, almost an end one play, but he'll go to the line to shoot 2 shots dito, si John Aldrich Arimado.
First game pala pa ito ng mga players na to. But let's look at this power play. Again, a familiar play.
Yes. Of the quarter, hatid sa inyo ng Converge Fiber X. Experience better with Converge Fiber X. Pag may close out lang yun, it reminds me of a famous player that rhymes with my name. Kay Curry na design yung play na yan, pati kay Klay Thompson sa Golden State Warriors eh.
Ano, Curry Pork?
Pork Curry. Gutom tuloy ako. At kasalanan ni Direct Mike yun eh. Hindi niya ako binigyan ng pagka-kwek-kwek kanina eh. Hindi lang binigyan sa ni Direct Mike. Pero yun nga, grabe yung mga plays dito ni Head Coach Ernest Alaw. It just shows na yun nga, Enzo. Lahat ng mga natututunan niya, na ipapasa niya sa mga players yan. Ito pa yung maganda kay Coach Ernest Alaw. Batang-bata pa siya.
Oh, wow. Yes, actually, one of the youngest coaches right now. Not just sa SINAG Liga Asya. Of course, SINAG Liga Asya, he's the youngest head coach. But in the entire country, one of the youngest coaches, di ba? And, you know, yung mga coaches na pinagdaanan niya sa JRU, of course, Coach Louie Gonzalez, yung mga players that he played with, diba? Let's look at this move of the quarter dito, Rowie.
Yes, atid sa inyo ng Kaito Cement. Kaito Cement made with Japanese technology, built with Kaito. Early strength, quick dry cement. Kaito Cement.
Yes, but good. Back-to-back baskets para dito sa Batang Lakan, and they have to, you know, at least trim this lead down, take it one possession at a time. But mga players din na kasama ni Coach Ernest, John Wilson, Kuya Robbie Celis, who celebrated his birthday a couple of days ago. You know, Larry Rodriguez, mga ganun yung mga players na nakasama niya. And those are no joke. And actually, sponge yun eh. Coach Ernest, one of the most coachable players nga. Pag nakakausap ko yung mga dati niyang coaches, very coachable na si Coach Ernest. And yun yung pinipreach niya dito sa mga players niya. Be coachable. Matuto kayo. Just like si Coach Chris Baluyat, diba? Kita mo, they may be down right now, but still playing hard yung mga Batang Lakan ng Bulacan players. Still playing their best, trying their best, diba, to, you know, give out a good performance. Kasi nga, this might be an opportunity na makalaro kayo in the next game. Mapasok kayo sa rotation kahit full lineup na kayo. Andyan na yung Hernal, andyan na yung Akop, pero ma-crack nyo pa rin yung rotation, diba? And if I'm not mistaken, nangyari to sa NBA in the Gold Lakers series. I'm trying to remember anong pangalan ng player na yun, na Game 3 hindi siya nakalaro, or first 3 games hindi siya naglaro, pero yung Game 3 binigyan siya ng garbage minutes, but Game 4 naging pivotal siya. I'm trying to remember.
Ito ba yung nanggaling sa D-League?
Hindi. I forgot sinong player na yun sa Lakers eh. Makakasinag will probably help me kasi marami tayong Laker fans dito.
Oo. Pero yun nga, it just shows na you need, every time a minute, you know, may playing minutes ka, you need to step up talaga. Kasi again, that's really important. You need to show your skills. Yun nga yung laging nasa meme, di ba? Ipakita mo kung sino ka. Well, in terms of basketball, yun ang usapan natin. Hindi naman. Pero, yun nga you need to show how you play the game well, or how you play the game well. You need to contribute it. That's why, again, basketball is a team sport. There are different ways how you can contribute. The easy way is, you know, help the team win on how you play the game. So, yun nga, pero may timeout break tayo dito. Our score 87-63 with 2 minutes and 46 seconds remaining.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Welcome back, SLA fans. This game is brought to you by Kaito Cement, ang bago-bago nating sponsor here in SINAG Liga Asya, made with Japanese technology, built with Kaito, and syempre Excel Bond.
Yes, our official tile adhesive partner dito sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Yes, so maraming salamat. Ayun, mga bagong sponsors natin yun dito, Enzo. And marami pang parating yan. Again, maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta dito sa SINAG Liga Asya. Siyempre, babanggitin ko na rin sila. Coach Benedict of Louis Duan Kapampangan.
Celebrated his birthday yesterday.
Yesterday, belated. Happy
Coach
birthday.
Jonathan, happy birthday po.
Yes, and ito rin kay Boss Tony Oanes and Coach Aisel for City Heights Hotel. And ito pa, Ma'am Grace Vargas of SCD Skincare, and Mr. Andrew Chuachoy of Sunsport, our official basketball.
Yes, thank you so much po sa inyong pagsuporta dito sa SINAG Liga Asya. And without them, we won't be here. And of course, Boss Fernand din.
On the floor.
Right.
Yung mga number one, it happened so many times in different leagues, NBA, PBA. Kung sino pa yung first seed, nalaglag pa sila nung 8th seed. That's why, grabe, bilog ang bola talaga. As you can see here, our score 89-67 with 1 minute and 3 seconds remaining.
Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Welcome back, SLA fans, to the 2023 SINAG Liga Asya Born 2001 SINAG Cup. And don't forget to follow our social media on Instagram and Facebook at SINAG Liga Asya. Pati na rin ang ating TikTok and YouTube, SINAG Liga TV. And at the same time, live tayo sa Blast TV at Sports. Siyempre sa mga signal channels natin, we are live sa Channel 94 and sa Sky Cable naman at Channel 188. So, grabe yung mga broadcast partners natin. Siyempre, media partners din natin. Ang Dugout U.
Nila, they'll go down to 2 and 3. They're down once again sa team standings natin. But, you know, they still have 5 more games remaining. This is just their 5th game. Mahaba-haba pa ang tournament live dito ng Batang Lakan ng Bulacan.
Yes, so yun nga, again, this is just a learning experience.
Favorite word
for Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. Gusto ko lang ulit-ulitin dahil nga sa FIBA World Cup eh. Pero
tomorrow na last day, no? So do I expect na tomorrow? That will be the last time?
Depende kung meron ng mga Asian, di ba? Na Asian Games natin. We take a look at that last 3-point shot from the left wing here. Grabe, that was a good shot dito para kay Gorgeous Gun. With that gorgeous 3-point shot. And yun nga, as you can see here now, Antipolo Pilgrims are up by a huge margin against Batang Lakan ng Bulacan.
And you know, I think Coach Chris Baluyot, you know, he's just gonna try out a play dito.
Yes.
Kaya tinan mo yung lineup na iniba niya bigla, di ba? He's going to try a different lineup, and at the same time, he's gonna try a different play dito to see if it will work. Kasi at this point of the game, dito ka na magte-testing ng mga plays mo for the next game with this kind of a score.
Oh, that's a great drive there by Christian Panganiban.
And that's where you'll wonder, di ba? What if hindi niya nakuha yung third foul niya ng third period? At nakalaro siya the entirety of the third period. As Mapua, that's the, you know, last give na para sa kanila.
Yes, and ito, Nico Dizon. And yun nga, congratulations to Antipolo Pilgrims for winning this game. Pero look at that, Batang Lakan ng Bulacan not yet done defending. Dinidepensa pa dito.
Until the final buzzer, diba? Don't stop until the final buzzer.
And that's, kita mo dahil doon, forcing a turnover. Nadagdagan pa tuloy ng turnover dito si JK Mapua.
Yes, and yun nga yung sinasabi ni Coach Chris, diba? Don't stop playing until the buzzer.
Sorry.
Buzzer, ano?
Don't stop believing.
Playing.
Sorry. Akala ko Arnel Pineda mode ka na naman. _QT.
Ikaw talaga. But what a victory para dito kay Coach Ernest Alaw. Only one lead change ang inayaan nila sa laro natin. The only lead na binigay nila was 5-2. After nila makalamang doon, in the first quarter, they never looked back. What a performance. And let's give credit to the 4 new players nila. Dito kay John kay John Arimado, kay John Kamike, of course kay Gorgeous Gun, and kay Do William, DJ Triste. What a performance from their new players. What a performance from guys like Medwin Antonio, Joshua Bolante, Jake Kabasag. Diba, everyone in that team ni Coach Ernest Alaw and Coach KDP umambag for this very dominant victory nila, Rose.
Yes, and this is just the first game dito sa ating day number 13. This is a Saturday triple. Marami pa tayong mapapanood, SLA fans. Pero eto ang gagawin natin is let's over muna to our courtside reporter Maris Victorio to see kung sino nga ba ang ating SINAG Best Player of the Game. Maris?
This is SINAG Best Player of the Game game presented by J Project. Iverson Petros from Antipolo Pilgrims lead.
Thank you very much, Maris. Again, that's Iverson Petros, our SINAG best player of the game. So, Enzo, what a great first game here. Antipolo Pilgrims did a phenomenal job against Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. So, any final thoughts on sa game na yun?
Well, what a perfect game para dito sa mga bata ni Coach Ernest Alaw. This now extends their winning streak to 3 straight na. They're one of the hottest teams in the league at makikita natin kung aangat pa ba sila sa standings kasi nga next game is the team above them, one of the hottest teams din ng NBS Slasher. So, we'll see paano na ang pwestuhan after the second game.
So, yun nga, our second game, SLA fans, don't forget to stay tuned pa kasi coming up is gonna be NBS Slashers contra LDG San Pedro. Once again, SLA fans, this is Rowy Sacote. Together with me is Enzo Galarosa and Maris Victoria. And on behalf of Direct Nomar Santiago and the rest of the hardworking and passionate SINAG crew, this is SINAG Liga Asya for 2001 SINAG Cup. We'll see you SLA fans in our next game. Peace!